Charlie's gonna be pissed.
Oh, all you gotta do is put in forward drive and it'll pull it out.
Oh my gosh. This is called I'm Stuck in the Front Yard.
No. Oh, might be.
Oh. Oh shit. Oh, Rob. Woo!
Now I have to back out of that.
What are you doing?
It's gonna get closer.
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
What the hell? Your dad's gonna be so pissed off at us.
Not at me, I had nothing to do with this.
Okay, that's good! Oh.
I think you broke his light.
I think he broke something.
Again? Really?
No, no, no.
There's a power cord right there.
Still working. No more!